Today we're gonna play 200-meter obby, but you're a bird. Already at level 2. Okay. These are gonna be hard because I'm playing on PC and I'm not the best at PC, as you can tell. I can do better on mobile. Come on, climb. Whoa. These spikes. They just hurt. They hurt. You gotta be joking. You gotta be joking. Okay, let's go first. Let's go first person. Dang. Nest 11. I'm on like nest 2. Whoa. Whoa. Dude. Why did it freeze? Why? No. I hate this game. We're gonna get to 200 meters. Unless I rage quit. You gotta be. Try this. Yes. Ooh. Dang, this thing is hard. Ooh. Wow. Yes. Where do I go next? Okay. Ooh. Oh. Oh, okay. Yoinksters! Baller. Dang it, there's no collision. What is this guy doing? Wow. Dude's like, whoa! You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Yes. Okay, can I try to strategize? Strategize a plan. No, I can't. Okay. What's up there? What's up there? Crap. Why? Why? I was on the thing. Quite simple enough. It's just this part that gets me. What? It's a little risky. Whoa! Okay, now what? Ooh. Ooh. Ah! Yes! We did it! We did it! Wow. Crap. Oh crap, it's another one of these. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes! Whoa. Wow. Now what do I do? Like, now what? Do I like... Whoa. What do I do now? Standing most of the time. I'm getting so insane that I start singing Gangster's Paradise. Oh, I see, I think I gotta jump up here. Jump here, jump here. Jump here. Am I gonna jump here? Okay. Wow. Yeah, then I gotta jump here. Jump here. Yes, yes. Crap. This is gonna be a hard jump. What do I do? Now, yes. No. No! No! Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. That was gonna... I hate my game. I hate this game. I hate it. I hate it. I hate everything. Okay, I'm done with this game. To the 7 people who are probably watching this, thank you. I have permanent hearing damage from editing this video. So yeah, with that being said, goodbye.